Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aradhna, and in today's video I'm going to talk about your 5-day strategy because you have your exams on 6th of December. So the purpose behind making this video is not to just give you a strategy or anything, because I don't think so there could be a strategy for like 5 days, but just a few tips that I wanted to share with all of you, and you will find these useful. So I made a little list of a few tips that I really wanted to tell all of you, and I don't want to take a lot of your time because I know you people must be revising and you time, so this will be very short video. So my first tip would be to revise. And revising means revising your notes, nothing else. No new resources, nothing. You just have to revise your notes, whatever you have written. If you think it's sufficient, if you think it's not sufficient, whatever, you just have to revise your notes only. New resources, just say no to any new resource. Okay, if there is some confusion in your notes or anything, you can check that out, but regardless of all those things, don't go for anything new. That, I mean, this is not the time for you to go on Wikipedia or any other site to explore a new topic. Right now you don't have to do that. Don't solve PYQs right now, because if you are going to just not get some of those, you are going to lose a lot of your confidence. So right now just revise, don't solve any PYQs. This is number 2. Number 3 is that you need to watch a demo video before you go for your exam. Okay, demo video may basically they will tell you that how you have to work on the system while you are giving the exam, because this is an online exam. So the thing is that you have to you should get an idea before that. I mean, when you will go there, they will tell you everything, whatever, but I think you should watch a video before going for the exam. That will give you a little bit more clarity and you will be more confident. And if at the exam center you have your system not working properly and anything, before starting the exam, there is a lot of time before they start the exam. Just tell them that my system is not working and I want to change it. Okay, there is no problem in that. Just do it before you start the exam, because if it is going to bother you in between the exam, you are going to lose a lot of your time. Okay, and you don't want that. Okay, so yeah, do that. Okay, now my 4th tip is that you have to attempt all the questions. I mean, that is obvious because there is no negative marking, so you have to attempt all the questions. So there are 2 kinds of questions that you might find difficult to answer. One is where you know the answer a little bit, you are confused between 2 options or like 3 options, and one would be where you don't know anything. In both of these cases, start with elimination method. Okay, elimination method simply means that you cut out all the options that you think are least expected to be the answer. Okay, and then you get to one option which you think might be the answer. Okay, you don't have to leave any question, and you can use elimination method to answer any question if you don't know the answer. Okay, now my number 5 tip is that don't get intimidated by anybody at the examination center. Like, there was a guy sitting next to me during my exam, and he took like 6 rough sheets, and I was like, I just took one, the one they provide. I just took that one and I did everything in there. I don't know what he was writing or whatever, but at that point in time I thought, maybe, I mean, what am I doing? I am not even taking another rough sheet, and he took like 6 sheets. So I was kind of a little bit, but then I thought, nah, whatever, I am just giving answers, and it seems paper seems okay. So I was not that much intimidated by him. So please don't do that. I mean, it kind of seems intimidating, but don't compare yourself right then and there. And one thing more, don't start counting the marks, that how many marks are you gonna get, how many questions have you done correctly, how many questions you have left, or how many whatever. Don't do this calculation there. ये सब घर आके भले सोचना. I don't think so you should even think about exam. I think once you have given the exam, you should not think about the result at all. घर वापस आके भी नहीं, whatever, just get on with your life. Whatever result जब आएगा सब पता चल जाएगा. Okay, so it's not a problem. Okay, just don't think about it, just get on with your other studies or whatever you do. Take a break for a while, and yeah, I think these are some of the tips that I wanted to give. और बेल्ट लगा के मत जाना, वहाँ बेल्ट निकलवा लेते हैं. I don't know why they do that, but they did that the first time I went. I didn't know this, so I wore a belt on my jeans, and then I had to just submit it there. Okay, so those are the kinds of things that I wanted to just say, and yeah, I think these are all the tips, and I hope you all are doing really well, and you are revising everything. If you have any sort of question related to examination, and if you're giving the exam first time or whatever, just ask me. No matter how silly you think that question is, just ask me, I will answer it. Pakka. Fine. So yeah, that was the video, and I hope you all find it useful. And yeah, ask your questions, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.